I say, so how many social media platforms do you think we have out there? What they say, young person they familiar with, and I say they're popular. You consider YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Not forgetting TikTok. All right, there are even other platforms for other platforms, which is Twitch, Discord, and a friend is Reddit. So with this plenty social media platforms, it kind of gets very confusing for content creators, especially when you are starting to create content. The best logical thing to do here is to start on all of the platforms, because another better chance of reaching more people, right? But before you even start creating content and trying to reach more people, there are a few things you need to consider. The kind of say you should know your audience, the people that you are trying to create content to. And conform also create content, you should know them, and probably you should know the platforms that they are on. Now, talking about audience, this audience that you are looking for should be people that they spend most of their time on the social media. They have a lot of time on their hands. They go on the internet and search for things, which is very addicted, and that's almost stick it to the internet life. Most of their time, all the time, be on a phone. And there has been numerous research about that. And the only people that spend most of their time on the social media Gen Z. See, even if you Google it, you say, and the house say the Gen Z, that first, 50%. Move one and millennials. All right. Now, we know that Gen Zs and the younger form where they want spending most of the time on the social media. Now, people shall say, which social media platform and Gen Zs are spending most of their time on? And you'll be shocked to find the answer. Yes, and your TikTok. So let's see. So this research was done by Later, and the statistics from their saying the top media platform, the top social media platform, Gen Z's YouTube. If you want to about Instagram, about TikTok, Snapchat, and one can also follows. And people say, why YouTube and why not TikTok? This is my opinion. When I say it be a solution to a problem, or per se we are there, maybe our pipe will be a pie, or be a pie, or phone or chair, why any problem that you have. It's either you Google the problem or the question that you have, and answer probably you just go on YouTube and type in that question. And the TN say YouTube edium once you that say provide a year solutions to people for a long time. And as a now make say building database from that it's a basana ubia echo a YouTube kese because or problem be a honor. YouTube also has shorts. It is so shorts now or TikTok no benya or YouTube shorts are probably benya. And this is one thing about TikTok, a very good platform for a short, which is vertical video, right? Now they tend to say TikTok mobia. TikTok is not a place I overcall. Now who have problem to some solutions what are problems, not solutions but what actually TikTok no when solution is very easy. TikTok is a place for fun, watching dance and skate and all those things. And even if you find yourself looking for solutions on TikTok, it will have to be a short video because when it vertical. I'm not saying say as a content creator you shouldn't create content on TikTok, but what I'm trying to say is that maybe our own share free. It should probably be from the place and power. Then you can try to drive traffic from other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Question is, what can you see? And do you see yourself searching for serious things and a problem be what tutorials always and be also here? And I say Adibia also very serious. Do you see yourself going on TikTok and searching for the answers? If the answer is no, then you probably know what I'm talking about. So as a content creator, I think it's an opportunity for you to take. And the fact that social media platforms doesn't mean you should spend your time creating every single video for any other social platforms. You can redesign and I say repurpose your video out there to YouTube, I say for TikTok, for Facebook, and I say Twitch, and I say Discord. We also need to go between that too. What I say, and so we get a vertical video, a short form videos where you can post it here on YouTube. We are once I get to a TikTok. That is what most of the people do. Who are the serious content nina is just on YouTube and other stuffs on TikTok. Example, BT Sami Sanity. I'm only using TikTok to drive traffic here. So there's one strategy YouTube creators and most of the successful YouTube creators they create one perfect video, and as a perfect video for their YouTube platform. Then after that, maybe other tour for some days and as a visa. Then later, with my repurposing of the video, now they're to another platform to see their TikTok and I say their Facebook and Instagram. That same video no that to YouTube no. Like some days later, now I first video and another start to TikTok. So me my video, that's what I think you should do as a content creator or as a new content creator or someone who is a small channel like me. This will help you, and I said will help us drive traffic to our small YouTube channel. So the baby to me alright, so in case of say and your first time watching me, I go by the name CarsHY and you know exactly how we do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you should be no one like keep video. Thanks for watching this and see you in the next one. Makram.